We've always felt very connected to the land, and the dream was to always have our dream house on it. We initially set out wanting a modern barn aesthetic with dark tones, but there are a lot of black houses and we wanted to be different. After exploring countless options and drawing lots of inspiration from the James Hardie gallery, we began imagining a much softer, more timeless white-on-white scheme. We decided on the oblique weatherboard. We loved the vertical cladding that gave the home a contemporary edge while also adding a sense of height and balance, which worked perfectly with the wider proportions of our design. It allowed us to maintain that modern barn feel, but with a brighter, more refined character. The way the light falls on it, whether it be morning or afternoon. It's really a home that's designed for now, but also for the future, for family and friends.